You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are not your physical body. You are not what's happened to you in the past. The pain, the trauma, your history. The truth is, you are pure energy, pure love, pure light. And when we're here, there's some soul lessons that we're here to learn in life, right? That we've chosen to learn before we even come down here. And eventually, hopefully, we wake up and it clicks and we remember what we're here to do. But in order for me to do that, I have to remember who I am. I'm not my mind. I'm not my emotions. I'm not what's happened to me. That's my human story. There's something bigger here at play, and it's my soul story. Now, if you want to learn how to transition from your human story and tap into your soul story, then I highly recommend that you guys grab this book today. The Promise will change your life. It's a guide, a step-by-step guide on how to go from your human story and tap into your divine one. And when you do that, healing is instantaneous. Happiness, joy, abundance, love, you don't chase it. It comes to you, you attract it when you make that jump. So go ahead, grab the book today, and your life, as you know it, will change for the better.